to the channel. It's Boosted 931. We got another video for y'all today. We got Chris Watts. No, he's not coming in a vet. Let's check it out.
Here he is. He just showed up in this. Woo! This is a big block. '78. I had a '78 Z28 too, guys. If you don't remember that black one, but man, it's a huge hood. God, got the torque. That's crazy.
It spun all the way through 30.
That's fun. That's definitely a torque monster. Golly. Ain't nothing like power, man. It always puts a smile on your face every time. Man, 456 gears, huh? That's bad. It went straight. I was afraid it would go sideways.
I had to pedal it just a little bit.
Yeah. I don't like them cars that go sideways. I like them straight. You cannot see over that hood. I'd get a different one.
We're going to drop down to a 3-inch.
Yeah, go to a 3-inch. You cannot see over that hood. That's a beast. Awesome right there. Nothing like good American mostly, y'all. Guys, 1978 Z28, 454 block. They said it's 496, so
Definitely felt like it. It had a lot of torque down low, really low geared. Beast. Nothing like these American muscle, nothing like them. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't liked, hit the like button. If you hadn't subscribed, go subscribe. More content coming, y'all stay tuned. Boosted 931.